Hello friends, so in this video we are going to share how to learn BMIS model. I am sure after seeing our videos you must understand different elements and connecting links, the interconnections. Okay, so I am going to tell you easiest way how to learn this model or how to remember this model rather. So as I said, four elements are there. Is people, process, technology and organization, and under organization we need to consider design and strategy. That's one thing. The problem is sometimes I find, maybe you guys don't find this tough one, but I personally find to learn those six elements. So I have a quick trick here. You can just remember or just try to learn. Cat eat apple. I'm repeating, cat eat apple, and goat eat hamburger. Goat eat hamburger. So these are the six interconnections between those elements. How? Let's see. So firstly I said cat eat apple. So here cat means culture, eat means emergence, and apple means architecture. So culture, emergence and architecture. Next is goat eat hamburger. So here goat means governing, eat here means enabling and support, and hamburger here means human factor. So that's how you remember and learn these six interlinks of those four elements, which is people, process, technology and organization. Tell me any other trick if you have, or if you have any other sentence which help to learn this kind of a thing. Share your comments, your thoughts in comment box and let me know if you like this trick. Okay, bye bye and take care.